What's the meaning of CI? CI. CI.
CI. CI. CI is a term that has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In Chinese language, CI generally refers to a type of poetry with strict rules governing the structure and subject matter. In phonetics, CI is a unit used to measure the loudness level of sound. In information technology, CI stands for continuous integration, a practice in software engineering that involves merging code changes frequently into a shared repository. Therefore, the meaning of CI varies depending on the field of study or use.